So you want to fly your plane or your drone, but it's snowing outside. What do? I guess you find your FPV gear, find a small RC car, and stick a camera on your car and drive out in the snow. You don't have to go outside, and you can still have some RC fun. So this is my Axial Wraith spawn 1/10 scale RC car. What I did was I stuck my Insta360 Go camera here for some stable FPV footage. Then I got my all-in-one camera. It has a 200 milliwatt VTX, and a small LiPo. Got my car ready. I have my FPV feed on my Eachine 800. Pretty nice. And there we go. And we're going across the backyard. Oh boy, that's beautiful. Look at all the snow. And the best part is Insta360 is catching this in high definition. Wow, it's kind of fun. Ooh, that was close.